This simple video made my client $144,000 in 30 days. Just copy it. We built this out for him specifically. He is in a niche that was not even heard of, which is why I believe nobody can compete with us. Whether you have a saturated niche, a not saturated niche, like we know how content works and we can install proven formats into your specific strengths and your specific offer to be able to blow up your brand and make you a lot of money. So Eric was able to make $144,000 in 30 days from this specific format. It's called the Screen Share Step by Step. So we're gonna walk through these videos so you can just copy it. So let's watch it.
This is the easy money male version of OnlyFans. It's just a little embarrassing.
So as you saw there, we had a curiosity hook. We know what OF is. It's, you know, an adult site. So when you hear that, it's taboo and it's very, you create a lot of curiosity. And we put the male version. Now, this is a format that we saw this specific hook work elsewhere. But what we did is we took his specific offer, we injected the hook, and then we recreated this engine of how he was going to deliver the CTA. So it wasn't just hook, give information, is specific hook to get attention, inject his expertise, his brand into the best vehicle to show the expertise and get the CTA. 22,000 comments. This video alone made him $144,000. And then it ricocheted. And then we just rinsed and repeated it. And I'm going to show you how we did it.
This is how much you can make in a single day, but you're going to have to put yourself out there in a very uncomfortable way. Your first step is to go to Google and simply type in surplus funds list.
This is where it gets a little bit complicated, but I'm kind of walk you through it. Based on the client's offer determines which content is going to work. So the reason why most people never succeed with content is, okay, you might see a viral video and you're like, okay, I'm just going to copy it. The viral video needs to align with what you're selling, who you are, and what the process of getting the result for your customers is. This is why we take a week to build out a content strategy for our brands, because it's not, oh, viral video, copy paste. It needs to be what they're selling, how they sell it, what their unique mechanism is, who they are, and then the format is injected to them.
Click on any county that you want and take a look at their list. No, you don't need any money, and no, we're not buying any properties. We're actually gonna help people get this money. So this county here has millions of dollars that are just sitting at the county waiting for somebody to come in and help them. And guess who's...
So right now we went from the hook, we took the taboo hook, created a curiosity, and then we're showing something step by step that is actually taking the user through a journey of discovering something new. His offer specifically is a one-to-many offer. He teaches surplus funds. Anyone can get into surplus funds. This won't work if you have a more sophisticated buyer. So it's very client and niche specific based on what your offer is. If you were selling to business owners that made $1 million a year, this format necessarily wouldn't work. This is why I'm emphasizing that it needs to be for the specific type of buyer and a mechanism that you sell through.
I help them, because now I'm going to show you exactly what to do. First step is you're going to take their name and head over to True People Search. This site, you can search anybody completely for free. You're going to get their phone numbers for free. Then you're going to reach out to them. Typically, I call, text, or email. Now, this is the uncomfortable part. You're going to have to put yourself out there and actually speak to them to help them get this money.
One thing you need to notice how he's making the language very simplified. A lot of business owners, you try to sound too smart in the videos. People need to understand, and this is a long video. Right? This video is 1 minute and 58 seconds. This goes against everything you've heard on social media. Make it short, make it dance and do backflips. That's how you get views. This video did 1.8 million views, made him over $100,000, and it was 1 minute and 58 seconds long. This tells you that a lot of the advice out there is bullshit. People don't know what the fuck they're talking about. That's why we're the best. Like, there are people, his audience, even though it's one-to-many, they are older. And guess who's on Facebook and Instagram? Older people, whether you believe it or not. Your ideal customer lives on social media. They're on Facebook. They're on Instagram. All of them are. 3.5 billion active users. You think that what you're selling is not on Instagram? You can't find people? 2-minute video, 22,000 comments, 54,000 shares. This is referrals, leads, all in one video. And it's a longer video. The structure was just different.
Comfortable part. You're going to have to put yourself out there and actually speak to them to help them get this money. It's going to go a little something like this. Hey, I'm looking to speak with John.
So now he did the skill show. He showed the steps. Now he's going to role play it. Now he's going to show them how easy it can be. And what he did in this video that was very, very smart is he destroyed limiting beliefs. He took away the fact that it was a get rich quick scheme. He said, you're going to have to put yourself out there and be a little uncomfortable. What that does is that little subtle whistle blows is saying, hey, this is not something that you can be a total idiot. You need to actually put in some effort. You don't have to be like, oh, you must be this, this, and this, talking for 20 minutes. Simple sentences that talk to your ideal buyer and explain what the offer is in a very engaging video.
This is Eric with ABC Asset Recovery. I don't want to take too much of your time. I see here that the property owned at 1234 Main Street actually went through a foreclosure on September 3rd. Were you aware of that? Okay, great. Has anybody contacted you about the foreclosure refund? Yeah, well, the county shows that you're actually entitled to a refund. We'd love to help you out. We charge no upfront fees and we can actually help you. What's the best email address? And I'll send you over some details. You don't need any license, no special certification.
And then we move into the qualifications. He's now specifying what they need to execute this offer. You don't need this. You don't need this. That's destroying limiting beliefs. So this video is actually structured as a video sales letter. It's a hook to stop the scroll that is taboo and curiosity driven, a skill show of how to achieve a desired outcome, a role play of what this actually looks like in real time, and then the qualifications part.
And no prior experience to get started in this industry. And here's where it gets good. You get paid directly from the county, typically 15 to 30% just for helping them file the paperwork. I'm not sure if you know this, but there's millions of opportunities.
Emphasizing and amplifying the opportunity to create a gap and show that there's opportunity to actually be made.
Out here to help people. How would you like to help somebody get $400,000 and make 30% just for helping them out?
Simplifying the video, showing the system, showing how easy it can be done, and then positioning yourself as the guy.
So comment the word surplus and I'll send you over the free training so you can get started.
1.8 million views.